Yo, what's up, new Jamblers, new,
Back tab. Double tap.
or the
Scan
old
code.
Jamblers that don't know how to add the like sounds yet.
Back tab.
You wanna
Double tap detected.
you need a free
Back
beat
tab.
maker,
Home.
and
YouTube.
there's some
5 new
out there, but
items.
some of them cost a lot of money.
Double tap to
Well,
open.
Jambl is the best option for you guys. Me personally, I like it because it's like a real beat maker and sampler. So today I'm gonna not precisely like show you how to use Jambl. Okay, see, look, I'm gonna get to the point. See, you know how. Let me get up. Okay, so you know how FL Studio, you can import your sounds, or they got their own custom sounds in Jambl. And I'm gonna give you this point here. Back then, you couldn't do nothing with Jambl. Cause like me personally, you can do nothing with Jambl because you have to deal with a lot of ads. And we all know we hate ads for sure. You can tell they got some stock sounds, but you could just play around with the stock sounds. But now, 2025, 2024, even 2023, you're trying to get serious. You're getting serious with the stock sounds. But now, which one do you want to get serious? And there's some beat makers that you can import your own sounds. Or they just got some loop pads, which in my opinion is pretty lazy because you just use the loop pads instead of doing it like by hand.
Passwords.
So, Jambl this year, they're making it very, very special and better for people because not only do they have stock sounds, but you can edit those stock sounds and make it seem like it's your own stock sounds, like you imported it. But the best thing to do is import them. So today, if you have your own sounds, put your headphones on, get your soundboards or whatever you want turned up, because today I'm here to show you guys how to import your own sounds. I've been meaning to make this tutorial. I was about to upload a video yesterday, but no, the video didn't record. So hopefully it is recording now, and hopefully it does save to my photo videos. I ain't gonna make it too long, but I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it a chance to save, but I'm gonna give y'all some better explanation of how to do this. And I recommended this app to my girlfriend. She's just started the app like last month or a few weeks ago. And she definitely is trying to get serious, and she is getting serious. Although she's like still learning how to use the app, she is getting serious. So here's what I'm about to do. So here's what you want to do. Hold on, first off.
Screen curtain on.
Nope.
Screen curtain off.
Yeah, my phone's completely almost low, so I'm gonna try to make this video as quick as I can. I ain't gonna keep it off a little bit. But what we want to do, you want to scroll
FaceTime.
through the apps. So scroll through Jambl.
Boom. Road. Of drop. Jam.
Okay, so you're gonna click Jambl, and you see
Jambl. IMG on board. Per week.
they're gonna give you a free trial, but you don't have to worry about that. Oh, the best thing I forgot to mention: no ads.
IMG on board.
Jambl has no ads no more,
Selected.
so thank God for that.
Page 5. Trap. Hip. Eat. Work. Red. Hard.
Oh, and shout out to, I don't know how to keep, I don't know what, like, I don't know how I could just keep saying this, but shout out to Ski33. And my bad for yesterday's stream, because my phone was acting up and the internet was acting up, so it was crazy yesterday. So I'm going to try to do it again tonight. But no promises if anybody else comes in or not.
Detroit.
But shout out to Ski33 for J Mizzy, the best drum kids, bro. I was up all night viewing the stuff, seeing what I want to use. And bro, it's a lot of stuff I want to use. Like, oh my goodness. And it's included with samples, bro. That's the best thing, bro. You can chop up stuff and you can use stuff. That's the thing. That's what I like. Now, I'm going to just select a random pack. So when we're in Jambl, you see there's all the sounds. There's the stock sounds. They got different names. In here, there's a way you can do a tutorial. So there's a play tab. So you can do like a game. So Jambl's kind of like a game, but it's a beat maker. and
My
you have this
profile.
tab
Text.
for my
40.
profile.
Among
And I must warn
Joshua.
you,
Text
if you want to
field.
save your beats,
Double tap to
Jambl
edit.
requires an account, which I went through past 2 accounts, but this is my new account, my newest account from December, because it logged me out of my account. So that's the thing I hate. They're gonna log you out of your account, but hopefully you remember your email and password. So
My profile. Tab. Remix.
you can. Some
Page
people
1.
always mess up, so I'm gonna just let you know that right now. So we're gonna select a little pack, something that's worth using. Let's put like that.
I am by blood by dirt
Wait, did I pass it?
I rock and roll by I am by I blood energy by dirt I rust by saludo
Okay.
saludo.
And they're gonna give you now. Instead of them giving you an
IMG
ad, it's gonna
onboarding
give you this
next
pop up
button.
to purchase it.
Choppa.
But you could just click it to close the purchase screen.
Trap drill.
So
Wait for unlock all.
this pack doesn't have a preview
Milky
because
preview
when you see this preview button, that's a play button, so they can tell you the stuff that it sounds like. But I'm gonna be doing that myself because I ain't gonna be worried about no previews. I'm just gonna be doing it by myself and teach you all step by step. Now,
Jam, record, BDN repeat.
you see this repeat feature here? I'm gonna click that off for now.
BDN repeat.
So the sounds in this pack are these sounds. Oops. Damn it. And oops. Oh no. Trying to get back to the drums, but my big head so forgot I was at the bass.
BDN vocals menu. Voiceover off.
Okay, there we go. So now
voiceover on.
I'm gonna go, like I said, I'm gonna teach you this.
BDN sound.
So you see this BDN sound button, right? And pretty sure you heard it because my text-to-speech reader did it. So you click this BDN sound button only
BDN sound.
if you wanna use the effects, switch the tempo,
effects,
view the sound effects,
mixer,
and then do the mixer.
Set.
And then set the like key things, make it seem like diminished, change the octaves of all the stuff. But this ain't what we gonna be clicking though.
BDN vocal,
If it's easier,
BDN sound, DJ.
Hold on, if I'm getting this right.
Set,
Okay,
selected.
so just don't click this DJ button here.
DJ.
Because the DJ button is just for the effects and stuff. So what you want to do actually is where it just says sound, you just gonna click it. You click this
sound plus
and you can change the stuff
YouTube.
like
Now,
and then
Mericadums, first and second child.
You see this plus button, right? This right here, it says tap / hold, which I thought you had to click and hold that, but I'm an idiot because it's actually the plus button. So you can switch packs. So keep this in your mind. Keep this pattern in your mind, or these sounds. Oops. Keep those in your mind. So you will click this sound menu. But if you want to switch the sounds, you're just gonna click the sound, the plus button. Then you can just switch to the different packs in that same pack, and that goes for the bass, chords, and melodies, and etc. that they might have in the future. It's kind of like a DAW, but it don't tell the instruments, which I hate. So that's so now instead of what we had previously, if you remember, instead of what we had previously, now we have, oops, dang it. That's what we have now. But we want to import our own sounds, which we're going to get to a point. So, you click the same sound button, except this is going to say sound. You just click that, and we're going to head back to this plus button. What you're going to do, actually, is double tap and hold that plus button. Don't click it, just hold it.
Select drum
For the drums, it's going to say select drum sound. So, so what we're going to do is going to select the kick.
Recents, heading. Can't more stick 808 1 DAW audio MZ 808 MZ clap Zara snare Sunny
and I guess we're just gonna select this snare 1. This is from the J Mizzy drum kit, bro.
Folder wait for fold alert.
So we're gonna do something fire with this today. We're gonna try to
Recents.
make like a jerk
More.
type thing.
A MZ M snare.
We're gonna select
Sunny
this
digital
Sunny
snare.
Digital snare for the
Audio.
snare.
To folder way up. Folder way. Fold. Kits. Hi.
This is kind of like a cook
hi-hat.
up if you ask me.
Recents. Heading. A M M Zap MZ Zap Young Chop Snare. Audio. SXJ. SXJ. E01 C C Akuisha underscore 2 Nintendo Wizcal 181 Nudie BB SP 505 underscore SNR underscore WDC underscore SNR Barb Snare Booze SB Amulet WHE on ZX Ritter Snare Boom 1 Daggerol underscore snare under 1 Daggerol underscore snare YM Snare Fort Boy Negative 1 we tag underscore 1 under Roser yes indeed clap PBS yes indeed
What the heck?
WHE underscore clap 1 WHE on W Wheezy YM 9 audio tech
So this is
clap,
random,
clap,
so I'm just gonna select an
MZ
open.
snare MZ snare MZ M M M M MZ MZ
Wait a minute, wait. What if I select
MZ
this?
clap Zara MZ 808 Zap and Roger MZ clap Uptown Young Chops SXJ 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 E01
So we just go select the clap.
Zap MZ clap Zara audio select beat M plug up air up
Then
edit
we're gonna select my favorite that I made myself with another triangle. Well, combined, but made the open hat with a triangle. Let's see if I can find it. Just gonna say open hat, no space.
Open hat minus 24 dB.
Okay, yeah.
Audio.
This is what I'm looking for.
Selected.
So let's.
BDN sound button.
All right. So now instead of what we had previously,
Voiceover off.
this is what we have now, and this is from our own sounds. Oops. That's what we have now. So we want to create something fire from that.
Voiceover
so what
on.
you want to do?
Record. BDN repeat.
Turn this repeat feature back
BDN
on.
repeat beat 2 DJ. Voiceover off.
Oops.
Voiceover on. Beat 2 bar. 4 1. Voiceover off. Beat 1 bar. 2 bar. Voiceover off.
Oh, I see.
Jam. Beat.
So my open hat might
sound,
be better.
Sound. Change.
I ain't gonna use this
folder.
one.
Wait. Fold. Alert. Kits. Hot perk.
And when you make a mistake, you could just click the BD and undo button.
Open.
Then start again.
Snare. A M Z M U S S F E Nin Wiz Zap A 1 new B kick dub bar S dub 1 1 Y double tap row P dub we not clap
Let's see if I can find it because I was spending so much time using it yesterday.
Snare.
I ain't made that movie yet, so this is the first time.
Open short one. Append.
Okay, there we go. This
Audio.
one.
Select BDN vocals. Voiceover off.
So you remember that hi-hat? Nah. You remember that?
Sound.
That bass?
Edit. Up, down. 800. Plus. Button. Taps. Plus.
So instead of changing the sound, we're going to add the sound. You know what I mean?
Plus. Button.
Double tap and hold. Till your files can pop up.
Snare. MZ. Zap and append. M. 8. MZ. Zap. MZ. Young chop. SX. SX. E. 0. C. CM. Akuish. Nin. Whiskle. Zap. 180. 100. Nude. BB. Kick. SW. Barbic. Snare. SWH. Wazaya. 1 DAC. 1 DAC. Y.
And instead of adding the sounds for the next two instruments, we're just going to edit. We're just going to edit it.
W. Y. Not. Tag. Clap. MZ. MZ. M. 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 MZ. M. 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 Open. Rim shot. Metro Boomin 808.
Here we go. So with the trick of some when you adding sounds with the trick,
up arrow.
You might want to click this up arrow a few times because it ain't gonna affect the pitch of the song. It's just gonna put it to the melody, like the bass and stuff you want.
Selected.
Just like a piano.
Vocals menu.
Watch.
Voiceover off.
Creativity we talking here. So let's just lower this down some.
Sound. Up arrow. Down arrow. Down arrow. Speech off. Selected. BDN vocals meant. Voiceover off. Voiceover.
So, like I said, you can edit instruments too. This goes for all. You see, when you click this in sound, you're gonna click this edit button.
Down speaker output chart with downwards trend. Release chart with downwards.
I'm gonna just turn the release off. Oops.
Voiceover on. BDN undo button. BDN undo. BDN sound. BDN repeat. BDN tube deep beat sound. So BDN channel delete. Stop chart with downwards. Change up arrow down arrow button. Voiceover off. Voice beat to deep beat sound. Speak down arrow. Speaker out chart with downwards trend.
Give it a chance.
Up arrow, down arrow, chart, stop, watch,
and it takes some
voiceover off.
Effort.
Voice, beat, sound. Speaker, chart with downwards trend. Voiceover off.
What does it keep doing that?
Beat, sound. Voiceover off. Voiceover beat sound. BDN channel chart with downwards. Voiceover off. Voiceover BD sound BD sound. Saludo stop saludo P. Voiceover off. Voice reach up arrow. Speaker outputting high volume. Vol. Voiceover off. Beat to D BD sound. Salute speaker up down up edit.
Long story short,
edit,
this is where you can edit
compose.
this, but I did it before and I don't.
Voiceover BD2 bar D BDN sound. Voiceover off. Voiceover BD sound. Salute chart speaker outputting high. Voiceover off. Beat to D beat DJ. BD sound. Speak chart with downwards trend. Release. Voiceover off. Beat sound. Edit up down arrow button. Speaker outputting high volume. Voiceover off. Voiceover beat to D beat sound. Chain edit up arrow button. Voiceover off. Beat to D beat sound. Chart stop salute BD chart down up reach edit but saludo P tap C plus spot.
Yeah, so this is where you can
edit.
I don't get why it's not. I don't get why it's not working.
Exit chain edit up down classic classic clap soft sister page 4 of 4 chain edit up arrow edit change chord up arrow edit compose voiceover off voiceover to DJ beat sound edit button voiceover off voice reach up arrow speaker outputting high volume.
You know what?
Vol. Voiceover off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Folder wait.
Okay, so look. So I edited.
Soft.
So that made it seem like it's yours. Edit, you know what I mean? So the volume's turned down a little. So I get what I have to do now, cause I just have to swipe to the edge, and I see.
Folder waveform button.
So
down soft sister
now
star.
it'll say sock sister star, which I like. I like this though. I'll post this to my YouTube channel. Get a free download link so you can
BDN vocals menu. Voiceover off.
Download. Why did they have a
voiceover beat to DJ BDN beat sound
I don't get what it is.
Edit up down
Thing
saludo tap plus
but there's no doubt
hip each work retro
that is called saludo after all, so it would make sense. So
I am violate by tech five soul by Vienna
or something like that.
Exit up down soft bells flutes soft bell soft flutes selected
So mix a random pattern, I guess.
DJ
in Jambl is kind of like FL if you think about it.
But BDN repeat. Voiceover off. Voiceover
oh,
off.
Snap.
Beat sound.
So let's edit this last one.
Record.
So
change melody.
Again,
edit. Edit. Compose. Voiceover
go to the
off.
edge of the screen.
Voiceover on. Record. Beat. 2 bar. D. Beat. Sound. Flute. Soft. Pit. Chart. Speak. Down. Up arrow. Up arrow. Down. Chart. Stop. Pits. Soft. Flutes. Beat. Selected. Beat. BDN repeat. BDN sound. BDN on. Beat.
Undo.
BDN undo. D. Beat. D. 2 bar. BDN undo. BDN undo. D. 2
Alright,
beat.
now what?
BDN repeat.
I forgot to turn the VP feature
Beat.
off.
2 D. Beat. BDN sound. Chain edit. Up down. Speaker outputting high volume. Voiceover off. Voiceover. Beat. Sound. Soft bells. Pizzicato. Bright bell. Flutes. Change melody. Voiceover off.
Alright, so exit. Oh no.
Voiceover. Up arrow. Button. Down. Speaker outputting high volume. Voiceover off. Folder waveform. Edit. But edit.
Just like that.
BDN. Flute star. Selected. BD.
See,
Exit.
that's how you hit
Button.
it. Go to the bottom
IMG
screen.
close
Swipe.
cross circle icon.
Do some experiment with
button.
these.
Close.
Add your
Saludo
sounds.
beat. Text. Not
Which I'm going
delete.
to title this video right
delete.
now.
T. Cap S. Cap S. Cap
A.
A. Cap S. D.
D.
Space. Cap F. Cap the. Cap me. Up this. Cap R. Cap Y. Cap S. A. P. O. U. T. R. Space. Cap S.
S.
W. Q. W. R. T. O. U. V. N. S. D. S. Space. Cap T. Cap D. P. O. Space. Cap A. Cap G. Cap J. Cap S. A. M. B. S. L. Space. Cap Q. Warnings.
And I'll say, and also,
Cap S. Cap A. Cap D. V. N. S. D. Space. Cap S. Cap A. Cap D. J. L. S. A. P. O. Space. Cap E. Cap S. A. D. D. P. O. I. T. Back to home. Fade.
Alright, I'm gonna end this, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and
Double tap
subscribe.
to open.
See you next video.